We're back to Alki Beach at the restaurant Marination. This beachside restaurant is just one of 4 locations in Seattle, and people love the variety of Hawaiian Korean-inspired cuisine.
Well, it's like right on the water, so it's quite the treat, but it's like pretty relaxed and accessible. Like you can bring your kids here and people don't bat an eye at it.
I got a kimchi fried rice with a sunny side egg on top. The sunny side egg is probably the best I've had. It's actually like, there's no runny whites, it's cooked really well. With some of their sexy tofu. It's really good, actually.
Because vegetarians need something special.
Co-owner and chef Kamala is inspired to make these fun and creative dishes. To do this, she uses many Washington-grown foods in her cooking.
It's a source of pride for us to use as many local ingredients as possible here.
Kamala and her team use more potatoes than they could have ever imagined.
Then we decided to double fry them, so it's like doubling the amount of potatoes that we use.
So what are we gonna make today?
We're gonna make this dish called Aloha fries, and it's unique to this location with this background here. We do fries at this location, and we probably will sell about 200 of these orders today of Aloha fries.
Gosh.
So we'll start off, number one will happen with us.
I love it, can't wait.
The Aloha fries start with our fries, the first process. We double fry them, so we start with blanching them. We use Washington State potatoes.
Of course.
To start the Aloha fries, Chef Kamala double blanches the fries to get a nice crispy texture. Next, we cover pork in garlic, ginger, bay leaves, and liquid smoke cure.
This is gorgeous.
This is a traditional dish in Hawaii called kalua pork.
Then we cover it in Hawaiian sea salt.
Use a really healthy amount of Hawaiian sea salt here.
The banana leaves, what do they do?
The banana leaves add flavor and they keep in a lot of the moisture. In Hawaii, people use banana leaves or tea leaves.
We wrap the pork in banana leaves and slow roast it in the oven at 250 degrees for 4 to 5 hours. Next, we grab our fries and put them in a tray to be the base of the dish.
We have the base down. Now we're going to add our kalua pork.
Kamala also uses kalua pork for many different dishes at Marination.
We use it for the Aloha fries. We use it for our Aloha sliders on a Hawaiian sweet roll.
Next, we pull apart the kalua pork.
See how tender this
Yes,
gets?
oh, it smells.
Yep, so we'll just pull this apart here.
Okay.
It's going to go on our fries here. So
If our fries weren't good enough.
They will be now.
We top our double blanched fries with the pork and then add kimchi sauce and a sweet Japanese mayo.
That's perfect.
Yes.
That's perfect. All right.
We then add green onions for some color and freshness and bring the Hawaiian sun to Washington with a sunny side up fried egg.
Just keeps getting better and better and better.
Finally, we sprinkle it with Japanese seaweed.
How did this come about, this dish?
This is actually, in all restaurants, there's what's called a staff meal, a family meal.
Yeah.
This is a staff meal, a family meal created by one of our employees, one of our longtime employees.
My taste buds are ready to say aloha to this dish.
So I like to take a fry and then use it to break up this yolk here. So my favorite bite is the yolk, the kimchi mayo, or the kimchi plus mayo. Little green onion there, furikake.
Oh my gosh.
Yep. The bite with the kalua pork,
I need some of
our
that.
potatoes.
This is unbelievable.
And you see that the fries still, even with the sauce on it, they're still really crispy, which is why we
They
double.
need to hold up,
Yep.
don't they?
The kimchi sauce it's the juice from kimchi that we have and a bunch of other spices ingredients that go into this sauce. You certainly can try to substitute the kimchi. This is a pretty complicated sauce that we make, but sriracha might work.
So we say mahalo
And aloha.
and aloha.
Yep.
To get the recipe for Marination's Aloha fries, visit wagrown.com.